Come on. Man, I got this new girl that I like. I fucked up. I pissed her off today. You know what though? Let's be in a good mood today. Let's go happy with this one. Shit. Okay, ease back. The trigger talks too much and it never listens. I build a house from all the novels that you read in prison. I got a bottle full of Bud Heavy. I'm bunk bedding with a Betty. Hearing problems till there's blood shedding. I toss a pizza in the oven for the piece of me that's bugging, and the women that are trying to make me Jesus for a husband. But leisurely I'm single till I'm capturing your psyche. I'm passionate, your daddy wouldn't like me. I'm 5'9" and 49, 50th. Snort a line, borderline hippie flip. Shoot needles, porcupine, hissy fits. From my misery and lit flames, kissing in my 66 kitty with the bent frame, sucking down a Camel Light. I poke holes in an empty can of Sprite till I make a quick and handy pipe, and I can smoke all my problems like drugs. Here's a list of things that I love. I love Twix bars, credit cards, new socks, rainy days, cold beer, shooting pool, Tupac tapes. I love little kids giving hugs, ladybugs, Tarantino films, Amelie, and the Boondock Saints. Reading magazines backwards, wrinkle-free trousers, taking Percocet and masturbating in the shower. I love my independence, my family, my life, and everyone that came here tonight. Throw your souls up.
This little life of mine is turning pretty crazy, so I'm gonna dig into it till the harmony just lets me go. I'm walking on nails with you, walking on nails with you, walking on nails till the sun don't show. This little life of mine is turning pretty crazy, so I'm gonna dig into it till the harmony just lets me go. I'm walking on nails with you, walking on nails with you, walking on nails till the sun don't show.
I read the suicide letter of Hunter S. Thompson. I gotta say I was inspired by it. My life is kinda like it. I'm getting bored of taking everything so seriously. Things are turning crazy now and quite defiant. Out the cake hole screaming, how'd your day go? Clouds and halos, couch potatoes, crowds of girls with bouncy J-Los. You hound the payroll, you're helping me destroy myself now. Count the pesos, cause I should be a vegetarian, I know I should, but double-decker taco supremes are so good. Junior bacon cheeseburger, rude awakenings further. This is for the people that still party when they're broke. This is for the people that find happiness in love. And this is for the independent rest of us that don't. Like Earl, he joined the yacht club, hurled from poison chop drugs. Surly noisy rock stud with girls and boys in hot tubs. His cocky ass hit me in the face, so I wrote him down a list of things I hate. I hate Larry the Cable Guy, the way cucumbers taste, people acting tough and girls that invade my space. I hate bill collectors, I hate bad news, and people asking me to talk about my tattoos. I hate the person sitting in your car talking shit about my songs. Don't fight the urge, sing along. I hate my songs, I hate Mac Lethal. I hate people, take me home.
This little life of mine is turning pretty crazy, so I'm gonna dig into it till the harmony just lets me go. I'm walking on nails with you, walking on nails with you, walking on nails till the sun don't show. This little life of mine is turning pretty crazy, so I'm gonna dig into it till the harmony just lets me go. I'm walking on nails with you, walking on nails with you, walking on nails till the sun don't show.